Welcome to an epic journey through China's profound history. From ancient roots to the birth of a republic, we explore its remarkable transformation, witness the vastness and depth of a civilization that has shaped the world for millennia. Prepare to be captivated. Our story begins with the foundations of a civilization, where early dynasties laid the groundwork for an enduring legacy. Discover the ingenuity of early agricultural settlements, the dawn of organized society, and the first whispers of governance. From oracle bones revealing ancient divination to intricate bronze artifacts, these relics tell tales of the Xia, Shang, and Zhou dynasties. Then came the philosophical Golden Age, a period of profound thought that shaped Chinese ethics and governance for centuries. Figures like Confucius and Laozi offered wisdom, their teachings echoing through serene landscapes and elegant calligraphy. The unification under Qin Shi Huang marked a pivotal moment, forging a single empire from warring states. His ambition led to monumental projects, including the Oin-spearing Great Wall and the silent army of terracotta warriors. Next, we delve into the imperial grandeur, a period of powerful dynasties and groundbreaking innovations. The Han Dynasty opened the legendary Silk Road, fostering trade and cultural exchange across continents. This era also saw the invention of paper and the compass, innovations that revolutionized communication and navigation. The empire expanded, its influence reaching far and wide, establishing China as a dominant force. The Temsi dynasty ushered in a golden age of arts, poetry, and cosmopolitan cities like China. Vibrant markets buzzed with life. Poets composed timeless verses, and Buddhist temples stood as beacons of faith. The Song dynasty followed, bringing technological advancements like gunpowder and printing, alongside economic prosperity. Its refined culture flourished, marked by scholarly pursuits and artistic elegance. The Ming and Qing dynasties showcased grand architecture, exemplified by the Forbidden City. Maritime expeditions led by Zheng, he explored distant lands, expanding China's global reach. However, these later dynasties also marked the beginning of encounters with Western powers, setting the stage for future challenges. As we move into the 19th century, we witness the seeds of change, a period of decline and increasing Western influence. The Opium Wars inflicted deep wounds, exposing China's vulnerabilities and leading to profound societal impact. Internal rebellions, like the devastating Taiping Rebellion, further weakened the Qing dynasty from within. Foreign encroachment carved up China into spheres of influence, fueling a growing sentiment for reform and national awakening. This tumultuous period set the stage for a revolutionary transformation, leading to the birth of a republic. Sun Yat-sen emerged as a visionary leader, advocating for a modern, democratic China. His ideals ignited the Xinhai Revolution, culminating in the Wuchang Uprising. This pivotal event led to the collapse of the Qing dynasty, ending millennia of imperial rule. The establishment of the Republic of China ushered in a new era, promising hope and change for the nation. From ancient roots to the establishment of the Republic, China's journey is a testament to its resilience and continuous evolution. This enduring spirit continues to shape its destiny, a civilization constantly adapting and thriving. Thank you for joining us on this historical exploration. We hope you gained a deeper appreciation for China's incredible past. The story of China is one of constant change, innovation, and an unwavering spirit that continues to inspire.